Hello everyone, it is March 6, 2024. I want to give you my first update on the Smith & Wesson response that I sent in for the recall. They are shipping them out ground, which is anywhere from 6 to 8 days ground. I called Smith & Wesson, asked why they weren't doing 2-day like it was sent in, because when I originally got mine ready to send in, they said it'd be FedEx 2-day there and FedEx 2-day back. Well, it's not. The return is ground. I asked the guy, and he goes, no, they're 2-day. And I said, no, they're not. He checked my RMA, looked at the notes, and we'll get to that in a minute. But they are ground. He said that was a little bit on the unusual side because they should be 2-day. But nothing I can do about it. He did tell me, because I asked him what the repairs exactly were. He looked at the notes. They just said repairs completed. There's no notes on what the repairs are. And he did tell me that all these repairs on these rifles are done by a third-party service provider, not Smith & Wesson, which is bullshit. I hope somebody from Smith & Wesson sees this, because this will actually stop me from buying some of their other stuff. And I do like Smith & Wesson, but right now I'm not real happy with them. The FPC is having bolt issues. I have that kit coming. The recall on the response. Looks like their quality just went down the toilet. But I already bought them, I already own them. There's nothing I can do about it. I'll run them till they fall apart, I guess. But there you go in a nutshell. The work is not being done by Smith & Wesson. It's a third-party service provider. So be careful with it. Check your stuff when you get it in. And like I said, I hope somebody from Smith sees this, because I'm not real happy with their stuff. Or their service department's really good, but their quality sucks right now. And the way they're doing these repairs and sending them, because the one question I had on the ground is on FedEx, I went to change it because I work from 4 a.m. to 7 p.m. Sunday through Wednesday. Mine's scheduled to be delivered on a Monday. I won't be here. And my daughter, who happens to be 16, can't sign for it because you have to be an adult. When I went to FedEx to try to move the date to Thursday, because it's a firearm, they won't let you make any changes. So I'm screwed on that one. But Smith & Wesson said they'll make 3 attempts. I'm like, yeah, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. I work those days. I work in the law enforcement field. I just can't take days off to wait. Because in Buckeye, FedEx is not reliable. But hopefully you guys have a good one. Hopefully this information helps you. Let me know what you guys are hearing or seeing on your own. Take care. Bye.